This is the movie that's wait until it's morning. Let's start now. We need to play. Okay guys, now we're gonna play. See you next time. Let's move. Let's move. What's your move? This is going to be fun, guys. I will check you in the morning, guys. It's morning, guys. I'm gonna check you outside. It's dark. It's still dark, guys. I don't know. This is my toy. This is a whole toy I've never seen. This is my first toy. It's my notebook. Kasi he said that. And this will be our food. And this is the family. See you.